Hi, welcome back to my channel, my dear lovely viewers. This time around, I'll be showing you guys how to go about Sui name service. I know a lot of people listened when I asked them to get their Sui name service. I can remember back then, anytime new DeFi projects come up, I always make sure I give the little piece of advice I can give. I remember during the time of Sui, I asked everyone, please, at least stake one Sui. At least. Those who listen, they got the book. At least buy Sui name service, buy Aptos name service. I remember even making a video on how to do that. So those who got Aptos name service, though we don't know if we'll be getting any reward on Aptos chain, but I believe something will actually be coming up on Aptos chain as well, which I believe so well. So here now we'll be having Sui name service coming up, and for those who bought name service, I know a lot of people that even just bought randomly with different wallets, and now they will be eating well. So let's go, guys. I'll be showing you how to go about checking. Sorry. So I'll be showing you how to go about checking this. As you can see, my main wallet, the main wallet I'm even using right now, it doesn't really even have the name service. But if you want to check it, this is what you need to do. You just go to your assets, you see it under the NFTs. So now, for the purpose of for proper guidance, so that you actually identify it well, I'll show you one of the wallets that has, which is this. As you can see, when I use this wallet, I've never used this wallet to make trade. All I did was I just sent little Sui into this. I can decide to even check activities just to check the amount we spent. You can see that was since around October, I think. So we just sent Sui into the wallet and we got name service. So you can see the amount it even costs, 0.01 Sui. You can see very little amount. You don't even need to spend much then, because they were just giving out the name. Then you can just apply for name service. All you pay for is gas fee. So that's how it was. So you can see this is the names. This is the name I got, and they said it's actually expired October 17th 2024. That means it's already expired. So but the fact that I already bought made me got this amount. So even though I lost most of the wallets, so for now I could only see 2 of the wallets, if I'm not mistaken. So this is the second one. So you can see also the same amount. So that's how to go about checking your Sui name service airdrop. So thank you very much, guys, for watching my video. And for those of you who have not been following my WhatsApp channel, trust me, you've been missing a lot. Because even lately I still dropped some tokens, some depin projects you can actually join on my WhatsApp channel, from OCs to NodePay, and so many other stuff aside depin. You can have them here. You have this, you can see this is Paul, OCs, some Zora mints, and a lot of projects like that. Yeah, this is also lively. So you can just join my channel if you're interested. If you want to actually win in this bull run, you don't want to miss this channel. So thank you very much for watching my video, guys. So see you in my next video. Don't forget to share with your friends and relatives so that they can always claim their airdrops before it gets expired. So bye, guys. Thank you.